I have a surprise for you, and the surprise is ta-da! Hi, I am Nandan. She's my best friend, and today we're going to make Pinwheel sandwich. So, what do we need for this sandwich? We need bread, mayonnaise, cheesy ketchup, grated carrot, butter and some water. So let's get started. I am so hungry. Pinwheel sandwich is ready. It kinda looks a little weird, but it's okay. No matter what it looks like, we're going to eat it. You like, share and subscribe. Meanwhile, we finish.